As you cruise into retirement, are you retiring from something or do you have something to retire to? Welcome back to Season 2 of Farm Truck Financial. New season, new studio, new content. Super excited to be here. And the first season, we talked a lot about financial planning, investments, sequence of returns. On Farm Truck Financial Season 2, in our new studio, we're going to be showing you restorations and builds from a lot of different cars and trucks that people have built to show them off on the road and see how they gain value over time, just like your portfolio. And why planning, procedures, and processes are just important for lifestyle changes or hobbies as it is with retirement planning. So follow us on Farm Truck Financial and we'll see you on the back roads of retirement.
Farm Truck Financial, we're riding with you down the back road steady.